Imagine myself in an automobile, 100 miles an hour, only me at the wheel. I want it to shine, to be only mine. The engine has to be just a one of a kind. How many dollars do I need, sir? You know I sure don't have a lot. There must be something we can work on. Well, I'll take it anyway. I guess I could make room for one, a bottle of rum. We you and me together, rotting into the sun. Live without care, with the wind in my hair. I'm driving through the desert, yeah, I'll go anywhere. Take me where the wheels take me, far away. Wheels take me, I can't stay. Wheels take me any place today. Imagine myself in an automobile, 100 miles an hour, if you know how I feel. Alone with my mind, leave my worries behind. Might even reach the borders, just a matter of time. Yeah, now. Take me where the wheels take me, far away. Wheels take me, I can't stay. Wheels take me any place today. Oh, I'm going to San Diego. Here I come, San Francisco. Won't be long, Sacramento. Oh yeah, in the sun I just might go.
Today I have removed the backside of the truck as it had a lot of rust and everything, and I really want to do this car under like I usually do with my motorcycle, clean every screw, plate it or put a new one and have it all brand new under it, and I hope somehow to keep this patina. We have very strict regulations here about driving these cars, so if they see a little hole in your fender, they would just take your papers away. And there are some weldings, there are some holes also here, but the overall condition is quite good on the parts.
Look at me, coyote, don't let a little road dust put you off. You can't judge a book, well you know that stuff. There's a tear in my upholstery and a hole in my shoe, but don't you just wish that you could make half the speed I do? Speed I do, speed I do, speed I do. You can't catch me, coyote, though there may be blood on the track. itinerary too. And don't you just wish that you could make half the speed I do? Speed I do, 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 speed I do. Now I'm a speck on your horizon, getting smaller fast. An ambush wouldn't be surprising. I hope it's better than your last. Once again a road runner leaves a coyote in the dirt. You got another plan of action, but we all know it ain't never gonna work. It must be hard having dog dreams that never come true. Don't you just wish that you could make half the speed I do? Speed I do, speed I do, speed I do. Speed I do, speed I do.
Good morning. It's an early Sunday day, 6 o'clock in the morning. I came down because I have all these beautiful parts zinc plated. And what I want to do today is, the zinc plating is a protection, but under a car where salt is and everything, they will not last forever, that's for sure. I mean 2-3 years maximum. So the parts that I can, I will also coat over. So I keep the zinc plating and I coat another coat, sorry, I put another coat over it. Look at this beautiful standard here. Wish me good luck. I was scratching now on this engine using different tools like screwdrivers, scissors, to take off all the dirt like that. Then I used a hand brush, and after that I used the angle grinder with this brush, and it starts to look better and better. Now I will take out the gearbox, wash the engine and the gearbox good, and then prepare it for painting.
When hope and love has been lost and you fall to the ground, you must find a way. When the darkness descends and you're told it's the end, you must find a way. When God decides to look the other way and a clown takes the throne, we must find a way. Face the firing squad against all the odds. You will find a way. Dig down, dig down, dig down, and find faith when you're close to the edge.
These are the zinc plated parts. I was plating them as a base protection, and I will now paint over them so I have an extra layer of protection.
Fear on the ground, and they try to define